Have you ever thought about the design of the hammer you're using? Here at Vaughan, we forge hammers that have been carefully thought out to perform swing after swing. When selecting the best hammer for the job, the main considerations are the handle, head design, and weight. It's important to choose a quality handle for comfort and reliability. Handle materials typically include steel, fiberglass, and wood. Vaughan mills American hickory handles that reduce vibration and provide optimal balance. Another consideration is handle length and style. A shorter handle will give you more accurate strikes, while a longer handle will give you more force. The handle style can be straight or curved to fit your personal preference. Claw hammers come in two main types, rip and nail hammers. A rip hammer has a straight claw that is good for framing and demolition. This type of hammer might have a magnetic nail starter, great for starting a nail in hard-to-reach spots. Rip hammers commonly have a milled face, which help maintain contact while driving nails that aren't perfectly hit. A nail hammer has a curved claw that gives extra leverage for nail pulling. This type of hammer has a smooth face, perfect for finish work without damaging surrounding areas. Claw hammers come in weights from 10 ounces to 32 ounces. Usually, a lighter hammer is more accurate, better for finish carpentry and general purpose tasks, whereas a heavier hammer is good for driving large nails and other tasks requiring more force. Hammers come in many shapes and sizes with a purpose for each. Use the right tool for the job with American-made hammers by Vaughan. For more information, visit Marshalltown.com.